Another edition, Can Do's Daily Fix. We happen to be on a project. Now, we had technical difficulties, so we went on ahead and started work, some of it without you guys, just because the camera and all that was kind of a hassle. We lost a few days with the rain, so we didn't even bother. We just got right to work. But real quick, what we'll do is show you this project here is a full exterior paint project. Now, exterior house projects are one thing, right? You guys have seen some of the stuff, and maybe you haven't. I don't know if you've watched any videos of us painting, but we'll go through the process and show you the steps. It's going to probably be a series, though. It's not going to be one long video. It's too much, but it'll probably be exterior house, and then what we're working on today, which is the pool deck, the lanai. All right, so here, guys, is a lanai, and the pool deck here is being prepped as we speak. We're going to clean it out, get it all swept up, get our chemical down on the floor, and then we're going to do a scrub. We're going to do a scrub on the ground to get all the dirt and stuff off of here, because we're prepping to resurface this pool deck. I don't have the product here right now, but you guys will see it in a second. Also, it's a two-part. So I'll be working over here, finishing off the painting of the walls. We got the ceiling done yesterday, got all the appliances and stuff out. I just did the first body coat. I wasn't really worried about, I just wanted to get paint on the walls because we were tired. It was time to leave, and we didn't want to just leave and not do anything with the walls. So we went on ahead and did that. We're going to have a outside stainless steel sink area that goes over here, so you guys will get to see that installed. But the main thing for today is get this area redone, get this all tightened up. All of these edges and all of that stuff is what I'll be working on, while my son is going to be over here doing the pressure washing, and then I'm going to get him set up to resurface this floor. I forgot the color. It's a beautiful color. I like it. It's like a sandy kind of color. It's really cool. As you can see now, it's more like creamish white, right? It's like a eggshell kind of color right now, but it will be much better here soon. So after he's done cleaning it, I am going to come through with our crack filler and fill in some of these little hairline cracks that we have. And then, yeah, we're going to get it done, man. We're going to try to knock this out today. That way we can have a little bit of motivation. We lost a few days, like I said, with the rain, but enough of that. So like, comment, subscribe. And again, it doesn't cost you anything. Hit the like button. Just hit it. Why wait until the end of the video? Hit the like button. Even haters like us. That's why y'all are here. Like the damn video, man. All right, so guys, a lot of people, you just seen us do the surface scrubber and all that, and yes, the pool deck is clean, but just what people fail to realize is you have to sweep it. Most people would have just waited and let it dry and then said, cool, paint over it. But as you can see, there's so much dirt left on the surface from running the surface scrubber. You have to sweep it out. You have to take your and any chemicals that might be left over, you want to get those out too, so it doesn't counteract with the paint or the two-part epoxy or whatever you're using for the pool deck. You want to make sure that you're getting all that stuff out of there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but all this stuff has to get out of here. And if you don't, all you're doing is painting over it. And that just defeats the purpose. If you were going to do that, you might as well not even do the cleaning in the first place. I won't say no names, but some of you guys will just come out here, charge the customer, take their money, and not even prep. You'll paint right over this stuff and call it good. That's not good. And you wonder why people don't trust workers coming to their house. It literally only takes an extra hour, guys, to do this, to prep it and get this part done. Add an extra hour on the schedule, maybe even 2. Hell, you know what we do? We add a half a day. We do one day where we're doing pressure washing and prepping, then the next day we'll do our painting. Usually we do it all in one day anyway, but we give ourselves that extra time so we're not pressed to say, well, damn, man, I gotta do all this cleaning. We already added it into our time. You got somebody out your house painting your pool deck or whatever, and they're not cleaning and they haven't brought no chemicals out and they haven't surface scrubbed or anything, get them out of your house. That's all. I just wanted to share that, guys. On to your regular scheduled program. Alright guys, so we don't have the mic today, so it's gonna sound a little crappy, but I figured I'd take the time to shoot a quick one. As you can see, we got the walls done, we got all of our edge work done, ceilings done. Stainless steel table's gonna go there, a couple of shelves. We're doing the second coat of the pool deck surfacer. Now this does have the cool technology in it, where it will it's gonna keep it cool even on a hot day. When you step on this pool deck, it won't feel hot on your feet. Some kind of technology in there that keeps it cool, and it's cool. It's actually really cool when you touch it right now. See, this is what we're using. There's other products out there, guys. This one is kind of more of what was there, and he wanted to get that cool surface technology, very thick, so we didn't have to prime it, you know, and he was able to get the color that he wanted. You know, that was the main thing. Can we get the cool technology, and can we get the color that we want? So anyway, it's coming out really good. I love it. He loves it. Colors are clashing. Well, not clashing. They are, if you want to use that word, I wouldn't use the word clashing. They're blending well. Very nice choice of colors. Kind of like, reminds me of Cabo or something like that in Mexico. Anyway, so that's where we're at, guys. I'm going to talk you to death, just giving you a quick heads up. I'm going to put you back in time warp land, and then we'll get back to you at the end of this. All right.